This drink will unclog arteries and protect against heart diseases. The experts claim that many people around the world suffer from this health problem, especially Americans. You should be very careful because high levels of LDL cholesterol can be the main cause of cardiovascular problems, heart disease and heart attacks. Yes, you should be very careful, and you should know that it doesn't matter if you are young or old, male or female, all people can have high cholesterol. A lot of people aren't paying attention to what they eat. So they consume high amounts of processed foods and foods high in unhealthy fats. Well, all these toxic and harmful substances end up in our veins. These unhealthy fat cells are the main cause for the arteries blockage, and this is the main reason why heart attacks occur. The medical experts also say that there are some factors and causes that put you at high risk, such as excessive smoking, poor diet, lack of exercise, obesity, large waist circumference, hypothyroidism and diabetes. The good thing is that you can control these factors, and the bad thing is that there are some factors that you can't control, like genetics. This risk factor is beyond your control. As we said, keeping your arteries healthy and free of blockage is very important for all of us. You can do this by following a healthy lifestyle and eat healthy foods. Why? Because when plaque builds up on the inner walls, the arteries become clogged and inhibit blood flow. Plaque is made of different substances that circulate in the blood like fat, cholesterol, calcium, cellular waste and fibrin. We are going to share with you the most effective homemade drink which will help you unclog your arteries. So if you want to unclog your arteries quickly and efficiently, then you should definitely try this miraculous drink. Just 1 cup of this drink and you will feel the difference. You will feel refreshed and full of energy. Thousands of people die every year because of cardiovascular diseases. Did you know that heart attacks are in the top 3 leading causes of death worldwide? No, this homemade drink is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients: 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger, 1 cup of washed raisins, 4 teaspoons of green tea, 1 litre water, 2 tablespoons of honey. Directions: here's what you need to do. In a pot, pour 1 cup of washed raisins, add some water and cook it on low heat. After 10 minutes, remove the pot from the heat and add green tea, honey and 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger. And now you need to close the lid of the pot and wrap it in a warm woolen cloth. Keep it that way overnight, 8 hours. In the morning, strain the beverage. How to use it: you should drink 150 to 200 ml of this drink twice a day before a meal. How this works? Well, the raisins contain both soluble and insoluble fibre, potassium and antioxidants, all of which may benefit your heart. The fibres also help promote excretion of bile from the body, and it stimulates the burning of cholesterol.